Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. The 1956 Mercury Montclair Convertible, a symbol of 1950s American style, power, and luxury. This was more than just a car, it was a statement of success and sophistication cruising through the golden age of motoring. Let's take a closer look at what made this beauty one of Mercury's most iconic creations, from its striking exterior design to its plush interior and solid performance under the hood. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 1956 Montclair Convertible is its bold, confident presence. Mercury went all out with chrome detailing, sweeping lines, and those signature two-tone color combinations that defined the decade. The wide grille, heavy chrome bumpers, and jet-inspired tailfins scream 1950s Americana. The long, sculpted body sits gracefully on wide whitewall tires, giving it an elegant yet powerful stance. With the top down, the Montclair Convertible captures that pure sense of freedom that made open-air driving so exciting in the post-war years. Every curve, every detail was designed to turn heads, and it still does today. Interior. Inside, the 1956 Montclair feels like stepping into a luxury lounge on wheels. Mercury offered premium materials, bright metal accents, and color-coordinated interiors that matched the car's exterior paint schemes. The dashboard features classic round gauges, chrome-trimmed controls, and that elegant steering wheel with the Mercury emblem right at the center. The seats are wide and cushioned, pure 1950s comfort, and the electric window controls and power top were considered high-end features back in the day. Every inch of the cabin reflected Mercury's dedication to craftsmanship and style. Performance. Now let's talk about performance, because this wasn't just about looks. Under the hood, the 1956 Mercury Montclair Convertible came with a 312 cubic inch, Y-block, V8 engine producing around 235 horsepower. Paired with the Merc-O-Matic automatic transmission, it offered smooth yet powerful acceleration, perfect for long highway drives or weekend cruises. The car's handling was steady for its time, with a comfortable suspension setup that soaked up bumps and kept the ride refined. Power steering and power brakes were available options, making it easier to maneuver this big, beautiful machine. It wasn't built for racing, but it delivered power and prestige in equal measure. In conclusion, the 1956 Mercury Montclair Convertible remains a true classic, a blend of beauty, comfort, and V8 muscle wrapped in chrome and color. It represents an era when cars were not just transportation, but a reflection of personal style and success. Even today, its timeless design and powerful engine continue to capture the imagination of classic car lovers everywhere. The Montclair Convertible stands as a shining reminder of when American cars led the world in innovation, elegance, and excitement, and that's what makes it unforgettable.